Look, reversing into a main road. Look right, look left, but don't look ahead before you pull out. Seasonal affective disorder, or SAD, normally refers to depression. It's the end of March and we have a pause in the rain. Yeah, sometimes it rains in Scotland, and a big bulb appears in the sky causing people to do silly things. We'll speed up some of the waiting time for the temporary traffic lights. Can you guess what happens and where it wants to go? Look right, in Stane Gardens you'll see a 6 metre tall, 4-ton steel sculpture called the Backshift, as a reminder that the town was built on iron and coal. The lights change to amber and 3 seconds later, red. A couple of cars cross on red, and thankfully white van man to give us a better view. OK, I'll slow it down. We're watching the 5th car behind me, a grey Ford Focus Estate, pull out of the queuing traffic to overtake. The first cross on red. Going north onto Benhar Road and then turn right onto High Street. Turn round and then sit at the red light. The second cross on red. Reverse back to see if the light has changed, and then the third cross on red. Wait for a break in the traffic, and finally back to the roundabout. You were right if you guessed he wanted to continue along Station Road by turning left at the roundabout.
And again, we hope you liked this video, and there's a button for it, so like and subscribe. See you soon.
And we leave you with them big sticks at Glen Eagles roundabout.